corresponding central angle in degrees. So, example, we have what is the area of the given sector of the circle? So our given is the radius is 10 inches and then our central angle is 30 degrees. So example number 3, we have so itong given class
30 degrees angle po.
30 degrees and then itong radius is
10 inches.
10 inches. So we have here our formula. So ito itong formula.
Theta over 360 degrees times pi
Theta
r squared.
300, 360 degrees times pi
R
r squared. So we have our theta is 30, 30 degrees over 360 degrees times ato ang radius which is 10 and then squared. So we have 30 over 360. Pila man class? 30 divided by 360. We have 1 over 12 times pi. Pila man atong 10 squared?
100.
10 squared is 100. So, copy nato si pi. Yes. Kinsa to? So, ayun. So, we have 125, 25, 25 over 3 lang? Or naay kulang? Pi. Asa man imutang si pi? Sa numerator or sa denominator?
Numerator po.
Yes, sa numerator. So we now have 25 pi over 12. This is the area of sector. Therefore, the area of the sector is 25 pi over 12 square inches. Napadala siya. Next, we have uh, example number 4. What is the area of a sector of a circle with diameter is equal to 24 centimeter if the corresponding central angle is 120 degrees? So, what is the area of the sector daw? So, to get the, since sa tong formula is, is radius man. So, since the diameter, unsa ganang diameter? Ang radius is half sa tuang diameter. So, i-divide nato siya sa 2.
2 po.
So, we have our is number 4 na siya. Given our central angle is 120 degrees and then diameter is 24 centimeter. So to get the radius, so dili man nato siya pwede ma-plot dayon no kay diameter man ang iyang given. So si 24 i-divide sa nato siya sa 2 since the radius is half of the diameter. So we have here 24 over 2. We have 24 divided by 2. Pila man class? 12 centimeter. So we now have our radius which is 12. So proceed na ta sa to ang formula which is A equals theta over 360 times pi r squared. So we now have our central angle is 120 degrees over 360 degrees times pi. Our radius is 12. We have 12 squared 120 over 360.
1/3.
1 over 3 times I. 12 squared, pila man class?
144.
144. So, our final answer is 48. 48 lang? 48 pi. Okay, 48 pi. Therefore, the area of the sector is 48 pi. Question.
None po, ma'am.
Okay. So, we have the relationship between sector area and arc length. Below are the formulas for sector area, which is A, and arc length, which is S. So we have area of the sector is theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared, and then for the length of an arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r squared. So we can rewrite this formula as follows. So from sige. So from area equals theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. So atuan ang i-kuan si pi r squared, may man na siya area over pi r squared equals theta over 360 degrees. Same as sa arc length. S over 2 pi r equals theta over 360 degrees. Since both equations are equal to theta over 360 degrees, we can say that this one, the area over pi r squared and the S over 2 pi r are equal. So, since equal man siya both sa theta over 60 degrees. Next. So, therefore, we have area equals S pi r squared over 2 pi r. And area equals SR over 2 since cancel out si pi r. So, nabilin is isa lang ka r or is radius. So, kani 2 na lang mabilin. So, likewise, we have 2a equals SR. We have S equals to area over r. So, kani si A diri is the area of a sector and then r is the radius. Same as dire, the length of an arc times radius over 2. Question. Na may question before tayo mag-proceed sa kuan. Example for the relationship between sector area and arc length.
None, ma'am.
So, always lang dyan nato i-remember ilahang formula ha. And this one, unsa ni si S, unsa ni si A or R. So, relationship between sector area and arc length, we have A is the area of the corresponding sector, S is the length of the corresponding arc, and R is the radius of the circle. So, example, what is the area of a sector of a circle with radius R equals 10 inches if the corresponding arc length is 2 inches? Sige daw, kamot daw. Solve daw ninyo yung example 5 given the formula. Use the formula for, since area of a sector man, so meaning to say, katong formula sa area of a sector inyong gamiton. I'll give you, kaya na 5 minutes yata. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer.